Hey guys, here's Henan Ideal Machinery Equipment Corporation Limited. It was founded in 2010, specialized in construction machines. Here we go and see the professional manufacturing plant. Enter and go straight ahead is the manufacturing workshop. We can see the complete equipment in the warehouse. Raw materials are also in order. Part of these machines will be sold domestically, the left will be exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, etc. As a company specializing in rebar construction machines and road machines, mainly include rebar bending, straightening, cutting machine, power trouble, tamping rammer, concrete cutter, plate compactor, road roller, and so on. The second floor, you can see the entire production line of power troubles. We continuously improve the quality of the product and provide best service to all the customers. These busy workers in their respective positions produce the most professional quality. We believe in delivering value through innovation. We believe in an open and honest relationship. We believe in speed to market. And do not believe in shortcuts. If you have the same core value, we are glad to be your partner here. We have professional production qualification. Each product will test for quality control before delivery. After testing and packed, we'll load it in our factory. What I do for you is giving our best solution based on professional experience. Giving the best support on product perfect balance between performance and cost. Help you develop and win more market share in your site.